So I'm walking from Rua Red towards the Luas. The window is on my right hand side of Rua Red. And there's a new surface underfoot here, kind of a sandy type of surface. Now we're back onto regular paving stones, and the Rua Red building is on my right. Wall has just ended, so this is a plaza area. So I'm just going to try and walk a straight line across the plaza as best I can. I can feel it sloping upwards a bit here, and yeah, it's a different type of surface, so I'm going forward. There are seats, there's a bin. I just keep walking straight. There's a wall. Following the wall on my right hand side, and shortly we should have the crossing to the city bound Luas platform. So there's the wall again. Wall is still on my right hand side. There are cars on my left. So there's the wall on the left. There's the pole, so that's near the cuordroy tactile strip underfoot, about 6 lines of tactile, and when that ends we have another set of cuordroy, so that's the terminus platform, and I'm just crossing the track now, and now we're on the opposite side. Yeah, all good. Now losenge tactile underfoot, I'm at the city bound platform.